Hey, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne, also known as BWC. We were in the dollar store today and we found this transformer. It's called Autobot Optimus Prime. See how it is? Folds up into a truck, 18-wheeler looks like. I thought we'd open and build that and show you how it's done. Okay? So stick around for the endings, because sometimes we have a surprise. You never know, but hang around. Okay, let's get started. Alright, here we are, Optimus Prime. He's a pretty good size one. This is not one of the little bitty ones. It says like 4 steps, though, is all it takes. Let's see if we can open this. There we go. There's everything up on the package, but it's opening. There's the cab. And there he is, Optimus Prime. He's 7 inches tall, by the way. So it's not one of the little bitty ones. Okay. There's your instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Okay. Let's start folding him up. There he is. We'll turn him around. See, his backside's kind of hollow there, but alright. First thing you do, fold the arms up and push them in at the shoulder. There you go. Same way with the other side. Now I'll show you there's a clip right there they connect together on. Okay. Set him down. Push that up. That's where your cab goes on. Let's see if we can get that snapped in there. Well. Alright, there we go. Fits down like that. Your wheels fold up and press in to snap in like that. Like that. There he is. 18-wheeler. Oops. Oops, came apart right there at the arms, didn't it? Well, let's slip it back together here. Got him there. Okay. There he is. Alright, let's see if we can open him back up. Pull the legs out right back here. They unsnap right there. Fold them back over like that. Straighten them out. Pull your cab off. It pops out right there. Pull your arms out at the shoulder. Fold them down. Other side. There he is, Optimus Prime, back in the robot stage. Oops. All right, we showed you how to do that. We got others coming, so stay with us. We'll see you next time.